on, does it get any better?
If we owned it.
Yeah.
Okay.
That's next.
I had to throw that one in. Okay. So you've done the lead car?
I have.
Okay, that was pretty impressive, huh?
Oh my goodness.
That was absolutely amazing.
Yeah. Thanks again, brother. Appreciate it.
Thanks. And so, imagine what we can do, what you did in a 5,500 pound car with a bunch of people in. We're 3,600 pounds with just two of us.
So I must be faster.
You will be smooth.
I will be smooth.
There's a hornet in here. There you go, right there. Shit. I just want to make sure that we don't get. Oh, there it is, right there. And
Did you get it?
sorry, but you're going to be good. Okay, it is gone. I wanted to make sure that that
Sweet.
did not interrupt us
Yeah,
in the
good
middle
looking
of the drive.
I know, that would have been bad.
Red flag, white stripe, black stripe, Ferrari, B. That would have been hilarious. Okay, so everything in this car is about smoothness.
Yeah.
So the driver of that big Hellcat,
Uh-huh.
he drove that thing extremely smooth, didn't he?
You really did.
Okay,
Yeah.
that's what we're going to mimic here.
Okay.
That's one of the main reasons you do the ride along.
Yep.
To get familiar with the track, but realize what smooth is. Smooth steering, smooth braking. So, and again, the first thing I always have to say whenever we're on video, 3 feet away from the edge of the track,
Yep.
no cones flying over this windscreen.
No way.
Because on video, you're going to see Fred's face go, okay? It's going to be crazy.
Yep.
So, now the fun part.
Okay.
Get on the brake,
Yep.
right paddle back and release.
Right paddle.
Yep. Now we're going to pull forward.
Okay.
No, stop.
Go right behind the Corvette. They're really experienced and they're going to be really fast, okay?
Okay.
All right, here they go. We're going to follow that Corvette.
Yep.
So now for the fun part.
Yeah.
Rolling on that gas. I'm going to have you rolling on that throttle
Yep.
most of the track.
Nice.
Okay? But that doesn't mean sheer speed. It means we're keeping the turbos online and we're keeping that momentum. For
Yeah.
when we get on the straight line, when we get on the straightaway, we can get on that throttle really quick.
Okay.
Okay?
Cool.
So if we go too fast through the turns, we're always slowing ourselves down. So
Yeah.
I'm giving you some racing elements
Yeah.
in this drive. Okay? Where we want to keep that momentum.
Gotcha.
So it's roll on that gas, almost like a volume dial on the radio.
Uh-huh.
You're just slowly increasing that volume.
Okay.
Then when we get on the straightaway, it's going to go from this to this,
Okay.
and it's gas. That means you're just wicking it all the way up,
Awesome.
okay? Until I tell you to lift,
Okay.
okay? Just lift off. Don't worry about brakes until brake or brake harder. Braking is very similar as going into a stop sign. You're going to go, oh, stop sign. You're going to start braking, but you're braking harder the closer you get to that stop sign.
Okay.
Here, the difference is we're not braking to stop. We're braking to settle the car. So, brake, right?
Yeah.
That's the initial, oh, I've seen the stop sign, I'm braking. It's firm, but it doesn't have to necessarily go all the way to the floor. If we're going really fast or we're unsettled, braking harder is like we're going to that stop sign.
Okay.
Okay?
Yeah.
So it just means you're going way deep.
Okay.
Okay? When I need you to release, it's release, turn your side, turn my side. So give you an example of how I instruct. Roll on that gas. We're going to come around this turn.
Yeah.
And have you roll on that gas.
Yeah.
You see that green cone on my side. When you reach it, I want you to keep rolling on that gas, but you're going to be moving over to your side. And see those red cones all the way to that orange cone.
Right.
Notice I'm not telling you to lift off at any time.
Okay.
Okay? Depending on how fast we're going, that's what I want you to do. Maintain that momentum. We're getting quicker and quicker. Instead of like hammering it and going 5, 10, 15, 20, 2, 4, 6, 8.
Okay.
So there's a little difference, but we're still building that speed because we're on turns. Okay,
Right,
so
right.
we can't go full throttle because at no point do I want to brake unnecessarily.
Of course. Yeah, that'll
So-
slow us down.
Yep, that's the process. So we're slowly just kind of easing out. We're going to let them disappear. And then the Ferrari behind us is going to do the exact same thing. So we're all slowly on there. So right about this pace right now is what we're going to keep right now. So about 20 miles an hour, we're actually good. We're going to stay on our side, my side of the track. Now we're going to roll on that gas. Turning my side. Just gently maintain this. Here's that green cone. Now we're gently moving over to your side, the red cone. Slow up. This is a bit too fast. There we go. We're not going to brake. Now we're slowly turning my side. We're going to roll back on that gas. There you go. All the way to this orange cone. We're going to lift, and we're going to brake. We're going to brake. Release. See, now we have to get rid of that speed.
Okay.
Now we have to start again. Roll on that gas. Gentle. Now here is a braking zone. We're actually going to lift and brake. This is that chicane. Nice and easy through there. Roll back over to my side and roll on that gas gently. 2 miles an hour. 4, 6, 8, staying in the middle. Now slowly working your way. 10, 12, 14, 16, 18. Keep rolling. 20, 22, 24. Keep going, deeper, deeper, deeper. Give her gas. That's how we build that speed. Back over to my side, and lift, and brake hard. Release, back over to my side. Not yet, in straight line, accelerate. And lift, and brake hard. Really hard. Release, slowly come around this way. Follow the contours. We're setting up on the front straight. Slowly, 2, 4, 6, 8, go. Lift, to the right. Release, back over to my side. Slowly, 2, 4, 6, 8, your side. And lift and brake. Release. Nice and tight. Pull back on that gas, lift. Brake. Back over to your side. Roll on that gas. Gently. We're going to catch it no matter what. And lift and brake. So they're going to let us pass after the chicane. I'm going to let you know when.
Okay.
Roll on that gas. Back over to my side. Keep rolling. We're going to pass my side. Gently. 2, 4. Start moving your side. 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22. Give her gas. Nice and slow. Back over to my side. There you go. And lift and brake. Release. No gas. And turn my side. Give her gas. And lift. Brake hard. Quarter. Release. Nice and easy around this turn. It's a tight turn. Lift. Release. 2, 4, 6, 8. Give her gas. And lift and brake. Release. Gently over to my side. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Lift. Brake completely. Release. Back over to my side. 2, 4, 6, 8. Lift and brake. Harder. See, we got a little out of shape.
Yeah, I saw that.
2, 4, 6, 8. Lift and brake hard. Release. Walk our way through here and roll back on that gas. Again, it's 2. It'll then gently 4, 6, 8. We're gonna have to lift a little bit. Coming a little bit fast. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Straight. Give her gas. Release. Gas yet. Back to my side. As soon as we come around, lift off, and we're gonna brake. We're gonna stay on my side. We're gonna go right into the pit right here.
Sweet. How'd I do?
Did great.
I really like your way of instructing. I was just
We're
trying
gonna
to mimic
we're gonna
everything you were
stop
trying
right
to
here.
say. Okay.
Because she's going to take a photograph a little bit closer. So I'm glad that you like, because that's the way I like to instruct. I'm not a passive person.
Right.
I like for us to have a good time.
For sure. Okay. Ah. Thanks.
And we're going to go right down to that black Lamborghini. So you listened, we were smooth. So I had to draw you back a couple of times, but I think you understand now. So we're going to keep going. Once this Lambo leaves, we're going to go straight down to that green Porsche. And so keeping that momentum in racing is we never want to slow down unnecessary.
Right.
And so if we go a little bit too quick and we start to get out of shape, we're actually increasing our lap time. So we're going to kink out, and right here is perfect. And so on this car, we'll go ahead and straighten that wheel right there, and both paddles back at the same time.